Music business TikToks.
Remember, guys, you do not register a song with the United States Copyright Office. You register a copyright. Under United States copyright law, as soon as you take an original idea from your head and you put it into a tangible form, a copyright already exists. It gives you an exclusive bundle of rights. The rights to reproduce, the rights to distribute, the rights to perform, and the rights to make a derivative work. When you register your copyright with the United States Copyright Office, you're strengthening your copyright. You're getting 3 more rights. The rebutable presumption of ownership, you're getting the rights to actually statutory actual damages, and the rights to sue. So remember, you guys, you do not register a song with the Copyright Office, you register a copyright with the Copyright Office. If someone else registers your copyright and intentionally leaves your name off of the copyright registration, is there anything that you can do about it? The answer is yes. You can go to the United States Copyright Office and you can file Form CA, letting them know what had happened and that you maybe co-wrote a song with somebody or a producer and they actually registered it and left your name off. If you even supply information about the session, such as maybe a split sheet, they might even void the entire registration, the original one, and let you actually resubmit it with your name on it. Okay, you guys, my name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn the art into more successful business. Peace. If I write music and you write the lyrics, can you take the lyrics and use it in another song without my permission? The answer is no. Under United States copyright law, when 2 or more people come together to create a song idea and they share melodically, lyrically, or some hook, tangible beat or groove, the 2 parts are inseparable and you create what's called a joint work. That basically means that if you want to take a piece of the work to create another work, you're creating a derivative work, and that requires permission from me. Okay, you guys, so when you get together to write songs with people, make sure that you absolutely know what you're doing. You're creating a joint work. How do I legally cover a song and then make a video of that song and put it up on YouTube? That's a great question. So let's break this down very, very simply. If you're going to actually cover a song and you're going to release it on the DSPs like Spotify and Apple, you don't need to do anything because Spotify and Apple are covering the mechanical license to do that, okay? Because they are essentially doing the copying. But now, if you were to take that audio recording and add a visual component to that and want to put it up on YouTube, that brings it into a different realm. This is now called synchronization, and you need to get a synchronization license from the original author and owner of the composition. The problem is that most independent artists don't do that, and they risk the chance of it getting taken down. But what usually happens is YouTube, in agreement with the publishers, puts advertisements on there and then pays the publisher a portion of the ad money. 5 things you should never do when asking someone to listen to your music. Number 1, do not make excuses. Do not tell me that the drums need to be redone or the mix needs to be redone. Just hit play and let me listen to the freaking song. Number 2, do not talk during the song. Don't tell me about the bridge coming up or the guitar solo coming up. Again, just let me listen to the freaking song. Number 3, do not air guitar, lip sync, or air drum, and please don't dance while I'm listening to it, because that's just freaking annoying. And then number 4, when the track is over, please don't tell me it's a hit, right? It's a hit, right? It's smacking, right? If you want my opinion, just let me fucking give it to you, okay? Listen, man, I know it's nerve-wracking and I know it's, it's hard to like play your stuff for somebody, but if you ask people for advice, man, just let them give it to you. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn the art into more successful business. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Later.
Music business TikToks.